Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Yes. So, shall we start today's lesson? Yes. So, before that, shall we recall what we have learnt so far? Yes. So, first, we have studied what is an organ, isn't it? What is an organ? It is each part of our body that do a special job, isn't it? That does a special job is called an organ, isn't it? And we have learnt about five sense organs, isn't it? We have learnt about five sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, isn't it? So these are the five sense organs, and we have learnt their uses also. Yes, and then we have studied about organ system, isn't it? What is an organ system? That is a group of organs that work together, yes, to do an important job. It's called an organ system. So there are several organ systems in our body, isn't it? And we have learnt some of the organ systems. The first one is the skeletal system, isn't it? So an adult human body has 206 bones. These bones join together to form a framework called skeleton, isn't it? Called skeleton. This skeletal system gives our body its shape, and it also protects the soft organs inside our body. Yes, and these bones are joined together in such a way that we can move our body parts. So these are all the things we have learnt about skeletal system. And the next one is muscular system, isn't it? So the muscles attached to the bones, some of the muscles attached to our bones, and these muscles pull the bones to make them move. Okay, and also we need strong muscles to lift heavy things and to run fast. Okay, so these muscles form a muscular system. So these are all the things about muscular system. And next one is digestive system, isn't it? We have learnt about digestive system. So when we eat food, we chew the food, isn't it? So the food is chewed by our teeth in our mouth. So the digestion starts here. So the digestion starts from the mouth itself. So the chewed food is then swallowed. Yes. So the swallowed food goes through the food pipe and reaches the stomach. Okay. Stomach is like a thick bag made up of muscles. Okay. And here the food is mixed with some digestive juices. Okay. And part of the digestion takes place in the stomach. Okay. Then mashed food is sent to small intestine. Okay. Here the digested food is absorbed into blood. Okay. And then the food that cannot be digested is sent to large intestine. Okay. Sent to large intestine, and there water is absorbed and the waste is thrown out of our body through anus. Okay, so these are all the things we have learnt about digestive system. And the next organ system is respiratory system. Isn't it? The next one is respiratory system. So when you breathe in, the air enters our body through our nose. Isn't it? And the air goes through windpipe and reaches lungs. Okay. So the oxygen is absorbed in the lungs. Okay. So this oxygen is carried by the blood and is taken to all parts of our body. Okay. So these are all the things we have learnt about respiratory system. And then last one, what we have learnt, the circulatory system. Isn't it? The circulatory system. So the heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay. So it pumps the fluid. So the fluid is called blood. Fluid is called blood to all parts of the body. And this blood goes through the special pipe called blood vessels. Okay. So this blood goes through the blood vessels. Okay. Oxygen and digestive food is carried by the blood to all parts of our body. Okay. So heart, blood and blood vessels make up our circulatory system. So these are all the things we have learnt so far. Yes. So did you read the lesson? Yes. Did you read the lesson? Yes. Very good. I hope you all have read the lesson. So let's start today's session. Okay. Today we are going to learn 3 new organ systems. Okay. The first one is the excretory system. The excretory system. So we eat many kinds of food, isn't it? We eat many kinds of food, and there will be, after digestion, there will be waste, isn't it? Waste in our body. So these waste should be thrown out of our body. Otherwise, we fall sick. These waste should be thrown out of our body. Otherwise, we fall sick. Okay. How the wastes are thrown out of our body? So we have two bean-shaped organs. Okay. We have two bean-shaped organs called kidneys. Okay. So these kidneys remove the waste from our body. So these kidneys help us to clean the blood. Okay. And the kidneys remove the waste from the blood, and it throws the waste as urine. Okay. It throws the waste as a urine. And next one, our skin. So our skin throws the waste, that is the excess water and salts from our body as sweat. Okay. Our skin throws the excess water and salts as sweat. Okay. And the next one is our lungs. So when we breathe in, the air enters through our nose. Yes. And oxygen is absorbed in the lungs. Okay. And the lungs throws out the carbon dioxide. Throws out the gas called carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Okay. So when we breathe in, the air enters through our nose. Okay, and oxygen is needed for our body, so oxygen is absorbed in the lungs and the lungs throws out the carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Okay, so this is called the excretory system. Shall we read? Yes, the excretory system. There are many things going on inside our body. All these produce waste, isn't it? After digestion, so the food cannot be digested is sent to large intestine, isn't it? And there water alone absorbed and the waste is thrown out, isn't it? So after digestion it will produce the waste. Yes, yes. The waste has to be thrown out of our body, otherwise you will fall sick. You have two bean-shaped organs called kidneys that help to keep your blood clean. The waste that is removed by the kidneys is thrown out of your body as urine. Okay? See, this is left kidney and one is right kidney. Two what shape? Bean shaped. Okay, it's like a bean. Bean shaped kidneys. So these kidneys help us to clean our blood. Okay, help to clean our blood, and it removes the waste and it's thrown and it throws waste as urine. Okay, so it is a part of excretory system. Okay, so your lungs throw out the gas carbon dioxide when you breathe out, and your skin throws out excess water and salts as sweat. Your lungs, kidneys and skin make up your excretory system. Okay, so these three organs make up your excretory system. So have you all understood, children? Yes, am I clear? So shall we move on to the next organ system? Yes, the next one is reproductive system. The reproductive system. So this reproductive system is responsible to producing babies. Okay, for producing babies. Men and women have different reproductive systems. Okay, the reproductive system is responsible for producing babies. Men and women have different reproductive systems. Okay, so the last organ system is the nervous system. Important organ system is the nervous system. So for example, in our school there are many teachers to teach you, isn't it? So they have worked together to teach you the subjects. So who tells them which class has to take and what subject to take? It's our principal, isn't it? Our principal says which person has to take which class and what subject to take, isn't it? So similarly, there are many organ systems in our body. Yes. So who controls them? Who tells what to do? It's our brain. Okay. Our brain controls our body and tells which organ to do what job has to do. Okay. So our brain has many nerves. Okay, it's like a wires. So see, These are all the nerves. It's our brain, and these blue in color, isn't it? These are all our nerves. It's like a wire. Okay, so the brain passes the message through the nerves to all parts of our body, and the nerves carries the messages from all parts of our body to brain. Okay, so the brain controls all organ systems. Okay, so shall we read the nervous system? There are many organ systems in our body. They have to work together to keep you alive. Who tells them what work they should do? Who controls them? Your brain controls all the organ systems. Okay? Your brain tells each organ what to do by sending messages through your nerves. Okay? Nerves are like wires. Nerves are like wires. Messages from all parts of your body also reach the brain through these nerves. Okay? If your eyes see a ferocious dog running towards you, ferocious means it's very angry and scary. Okay, it looks very scary. Running towards you. So what will happen? So when you see a ferocious dog, what you will do? You start running very fast, isn't it? So how do you start running? So the brain message you, okay, message your legs to run fast. Okay, see, if your eyes see a ferocious dog running towards you, they send a message to your brain. Okay, first your eye will send a message to your brain, and then the brain immediately orders your legs to run fast. Okay, first when you see something, your eye will send message to your brain. Then the brain will order you what to do. Okay, your brain and nerves form your nervous system. Okay, brain and nerves form your nervous system. So with that, we have completed this chapter, that is the human body. So have you all understood what we have learned so far, children? Yes? Yes, I hope you all understood. So shall we recall the three organ system what we have learned today? The excretory system. So we eat many kinds of food, isn't it? So after digestion, there will be waste in our body. So these waste should be thrown out of our body. Otherwise, we will fall sick. Okay. So we have two bean-shaped organs called kidneys. So these kidneys help to clean our blood. Okay. It removes waste and throws out as urine. Okay, and next one is our skin. Our skin throws out the excess water and salts from our body as sweat. Okay, the next one is our lungs. So when we breathe in, the air enters our body through our nose, and oxygen is absorbed in the lungs because we need oxygen, isn't it? So oxygen is absorbed in our lungs, and the lungs throw out the gas called carbon dioxide when we breathe out. So the kidneys, skin and lungs form the excretory system. Okay. The next one is the reproductive system. So the reproductive system is responsible for producing babies. Okay. Men and women have different reproductive systems. And the last one is, the important one is the nervous system. Our brain controls all the organ systems. Okay, our brain controls all the organ systems. It passes message through all part of our body through our nerves. Okay, our brain will pass message to all part of our body through nerves. Okay, through our nerves, and the messages, and these nerves carries the messages from all part of our body to our brain. For example, if you see something, the eye will pass the message to our brain through the nerves. Okay, and then brain will order the organ system what to do. Okay, for that one example they have given. So if you see a ferocious dog, your eye will passes a message to your brain. Then your brain will order your legs to run fast. Okay, so our brain and nerves form our nervous system. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the lesson, children. So read the lesson and remember all the names. Okay, so when you read, you will understand. Okay, children, so read all the lessons. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next class, children. Thank you.